Hello and a very warm welcome to Bharata First. I'm Frank Rausum Pereira. This is Frank Talk. And since you're here, I would like to thank you for your continued support. For those of you who haven't already subscribed, please like the video, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and then all notifications. Do follow our social media handles for all the latest updates, and you can also subscribe to our newsletter to get some incisive content. The Bharata First team runs a daily big picture quiz. Please do participate by going through the description in the big picture videos. Here are the UPI IDs for those of you who would like to come forward and make a contribution. A small contribution that you make will be a giant leap for us to keep bringing you this content. So do continue to show your love and support. All the information along with some must-see recommendations are in the description of this video. Please go through it. Now, the coronavirus pandemic has hit us hard and is going to have a long lasting effect on all of us. Even before the pandemic, mental health wasn't taken very seriously. The virus has only compounded issues and caused several behavioral problems. Instances of cruelty and barbarism have come to the fore. What is the reason behind it and how do we cope going forward? To talk about it, I have with me on the program Dr. Ashok Sharma, Chief District Medical Officer, Homeopathy, Directorate of Ayush, Government of Delhi. He is also in charge of his unit at the Institute of Human Behavior and Allied Sciences, or IBAS. Dr. Sharma, welcome to Bharata First, and it's a pleasure having you here.
Thank you very much.
Um, Dr. Sharma, let's start with the basic question. What is mental health? We've all heard about this term mental health now, especially over the last 1.5 years during the pandemic. Do we really understand what mental health is?
It's very, you can say basic or a valid issue that we always consider mental health when we become mentally sick. But we forget that what really the mental health is. मानसिक स्वास्थ्य है क्या? और what are the constructs of this mental health? ये जो मानसिक स्वास्थ्य है ये किन किन चीजों से बन के बना है? अभी आप देखिए कि since last 1.5 years we have been seeing different type of behaviors coming out, and one behavior which all the people are saying, just obey the pandemic behavior, wash your hands and keep distance and don't go out and all those things. But these things, they are affecting people in a different way. You see, as a human being, what we are very weaker than the animals. Animals, like physically, they are very strong, but they have very small softwares in their body. So, what is making us a human being? We are very weak, yet we are very strong. You see, in the basis of our thinking, our intellect, our spirituality, we have made iron to fly. We have made iron to float in the form of aeroplane and the ship and all those things, just on because of our intellect. What is the difference that we can think, we can feel, and thereby we act? So mental health is nothing but a combination. You just compare it with a car. You see, car has ABC, accelerator, brake, and clutch. When these three things, they're working in coordination with each other, our vehicle goes straight and we say, yes, we are behaving in a manner. And sometimes if you say, feel that whenever there is a lot of traffic and still I'm putting a lot of pressure on my accelerator, then people will say how he is driving. And if I am very open road, I am driving very slow. And then people even when then say that why he is driving so. So try to understand this thing in a very basic things. You see, mental health. On the other hand, let us just put me forward it this way only, that for physical health, everybody understand. Eat good food, sleep on time, and do this yoga and all those things. And moreover, for the physical problems, we have vaccines also. But to remain mentally healthy, we don't have any vaccine as such. So, what is that which should be acquired into us? So, remain in a mental health so that the brain, not the brain is a hardware and mind is a software. Mind makes us to behave this way. So, the core of that thing, or to define, though WHO has defined mental health in different ways, the person's ability to cope up with the environment, to be constructive, to be able to of his own abilities and these type of things. But what, as a psychologist or a psychiatrist or in a layman term, it is a state of mind. एक मान अवस्था है, that state of mind which allows to cope up, जो कि हमें दिन जिंदगी की अलग-अलग जिंदगी is a very, you see, life is a very hard task, and it keeps opposing or dropping different challenges in front of me. So how I am ready to, or how I manage those challenges, is through my intellect only. So three things: think, feel, and act. Moreover, mental health and mental sickness or illness in between, they have got very hair-like differences between them. Say in this particular situation, I'm mentally healthy, means I'm behaving according to this situation. But the moment any adversity comes to me, I start behaving in a different manner. So let us go to a further step back. I would like to make clear, मैं आपके थ्रू, आपके चैनल के थ्रू ये चीज आपके श्रोताओं के शेयर करना चाहता हूँ
जी
कि ये जो मानसिक स्वास्थ्य है, ये बनता कैसे है। देखिए, जब हम पैदा होते हैं तो हमारे पास एक बॉडी होती है और एक स्पिरिट होती है, एंड द बेसिक, मतलब हमारा दिल धड़क रहा होता है और हम सांस ले रहे होते हैं, एंड वी से दैट चाइल्ड इज अलाइव, बट दैट चाइल्ड हैज टू डू सर्टेन टास्क, दैट चाइल्ड रिक्वायर नर्चरिंग. It's like a computer, you see. You purchase a new computer and that computer doesn't have any further softwares. So now you are supposed to put those softwares into it. So till the age of 7 years, this system grows into the child's mind, and this system is called habit system. Why I'm giving stress to this habit system is there are just 4 parameters. And Frank, you must have been observing that, like, nature has got certain primary colors. You just mix them up and you're getting new colors after it. Huh? So same way, these brothers or the co-brothers. First is harm avoidance. Whenever we are doing any task, certain harms are involved into it. Let me put it in a more diluted manner. Suppose we have to irrigate, water a field, and I'm making different type of channels into it. And those channels get fixed, hardened by the time we are of 7 years of age. So now you put whatever thing into those channels, whether water or other thing, that those channel structure will decide that how it is going to flow through them. So same way, first is harm avoidance. Another is novelty seeking. मैं नया नया क्या सीखना चाहता हूँ. Third is reward dependence. मैं डरता भी नहीं हूं, मैं ऐसा करना चाहता हूं, मुझे क्या रिवार्ड मिलेगा, दैट विल डिसाइड माय बिहेवियर. एंड लास्ट बट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज परसीवरेंस. मेरे में लगन कितनी है. लाइक वी हैव ग्रोन, दिस थिंग इज कॉल्ड temperament or a mizaj. These are my basic qualities. Suppose you are a journalist, and gradually your friends slowly will come to know, okay, this task, oh, Frank does this way, he will do this way. So that is your temperament. Now Frank has got these qualities within him, and they keep on going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So a behavior erupts, and that behavior is acceptable to your friends and to your wife and different people. Suppose due to some reason or some adversity, like I said, challenges of your life, they cause disturbance in your life, and Frank is not behaving this way. Either he has become very silent or has become very high, or that. So mental health and mental illnesses, they've got a hair-like difference. They keep on changing, keep on changing. तो मानसिक स्वास्थ्य की जो कोर जो चीज है वो है थॉट, एहसास. Every time, whenever we behave, whenever we have to do anything, first the core thing comes up in your mind, that is thought, ehsas or soch. And this soch, it generates this thing called emotion or feeling. Like they, what I would further try to make it more dilute, आप एक बर्तन लीजिए और उसमें थोड़ा पानी लीजिए और पानी में थोड़ा सैंड डाल दीजिए, और सैंड को you just stir it with that thing. That stirring till those things are settling down is emotion. एहसास and then emotion, thought and emotion, and thereby something comes up. That is
जी
called behavior.
हम्म,
Now that thought, what has given result to that thing, that depends how you are giving food to that thought or that feeling. If it is suitable to you, you will nurture it. If it's not suitable, you try to suppress it. So thought and emotions are inevitable. वो तो आपको आएगा ही. It's like a
जी
shadow. It's like a shadow. You stand somewhere and the shadow is likely to come. And it doesn't have its own existence as such. So if this emotion persists, we say it is mood.
हम्म,
So thought, emotion, behavior, temperament, character, personality, मिजाज, चरित्र और आपका व्यक्तित्व, ये सब चीजें मिलके when we enter into the life's adversities, be it health, be it any social event, whatever it is, it will affect your mental health. मानसिक स्वास्थ्य को खराब करने के लिए हर चीज तैयार है. It is ready to be eroded in every way. And it is your competency, and those four habit system, harm avoidance and these things, these are your tools, these are your resources. Furthermore, you consider as if this is stress and these are your resources. Okay. Now it's a funnel. I put that stress in your that funnel and something comes out. So certain effects will be biological, certain will be psychological, and others will be socio-cultural.
correct
Some way that stress will affect your biological body, it will affect your psychological body, it will affect your socio-cultural life. And you won't, depending on your resources, if you have resources, then they will not disturb you. If you don't have resources, then you will have anxiety, fear, happiness, anger, and all these type of behavior which you mentioned before, that defiance and quarrels and substance abuse and different type of things. So since we are discussing in relation to pandemic, so pandemic has given a jolt. You see, as a human being, we say we are very intellectual, and the whole medical field is in a jolt. And daily, some or the other, some or the other, some or the other picture this virus is showing us. So the virus is ahead of us, and we are far behind because new. It's
correct
new for us. So what we say, but in all these things, different type of things, the people they got divided. Fear zone, learning zone, and creative zone.
जी
And with that, people are behaving. Some people are just believing in collecting the things. Some people are saying, let us go aloof. Some people say, oh, why should I be inside? I'm a human being. I can't remain. So this virus, this pandemic, has given a jolt to all the, you can say, society people. First of all, our healthcare workers, then the patient, then the general public, and moreover, not only those people, it has affected infants also, young children also, teenage people also, adolescents also. सबको इसने एक jolt दे दिया, some or the other way. So
जी
first of all, आप अपनी मानसिक स्वास्थ्य को समझ लें, अपनी कमजोरियों को तो इतना ध्यान ना दें, अपनी स्ट्रेंथ पे ज्यादा ध्यान दें और उस स्ट्रेंथ को पक्का कीजिए, जिससे कि आप किसी भी एडवर्सिटी में एक व्यवहारिक रूप से सामने आएंगे और उस स्ट्रेस को थोड़ा दबा लेंगे. अभी हमने ये देखा मानसिक रूप में. अभी ये स्ट्रेस को लड़ने के लिए बॉडी के पास क्या क्या है. यू सी वी हैव गॉट थ्री थिंग्स: साइको, न्यूरो, इम्यूनो. वी हैव ए माइंड, साइकी. न्यूरो हमारा नर्व तंत्र जो होता है, इम्यूनो जो हमारी बीमारी से लड़ने की रोधक शक्ति है. तो वन द साइकी गेट्स सिक, immediately a short-term control get initiated into the body through our brain. That is called adrenaline mechanism, sympathetic adrenaline. You see, आप यदि एक नदी के दो किनारे देखिए, हैं, अनुकूल और प्रतिकूल,
जी
one is going along the river, another is going against the river. So they have to be balanced, sympathetic, parasympathetic. It lasts for a very short period. ये थोड़ी देर के लिए हमारी बॉडी को कंट्रोल कर पाता है, लेकिन यदि ये स्ट्रेस और लंबा रह जाए तो लॉन्ग टर्म स्ट्रेस सामने आ जाता है, इट्स कॉल्ड एचपीए, हाइपोथैलेमस पिट्यूटरी एक्सिस। अब ये हाइपोथैलेमस देखिए ह्यूमन बॉडी के अंदर, फ्रैंक, इट इज जस्ट ऑफ द वेट ऑफ योर फिंगर नेल, just 4 gram of this thing is controlling the whole body orchestra, your breathing, your respiration, your appetite, and everything. And whenever it has got task, some adversity, it just so adjacent to the mental structure that it is hardly difficult that if the body is sick, you can't remain psychologically affected.
जी,
देखिए आपको बुखार आता है, आपको बुखार एकदम से तो नहीं पता लगता है,
जी,
बुखार आएगा, आप कहेंगे अभी कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, I don't feel like eating. Anyhow, I'm not. Headache, malaise, body ache. These three things are there, which your hypothalamus gives to your limbic system. एक सिस्टम होता है बॉडी के अंदर जिसको हम लिम्बिक सिस्टम कहते हैं। अभी देखिए क्या होता है कि आजकल एक कल्चर चला है टू इंस्टॉल कैमराज इन आवर हाउसेस। This camera, it poops out what is going around, है ना? ऐसे ही बॉडी ने हमारे अंदर एक सिस्टम बनाया ब्रेन के अंदर जिसको लिम्बिक सिस्टम कहते हैं, उसका पार्ट होता है एमिगडाला। दैट एमिगडाला इज आवर वॉच डॉग, this is happening, this is happening, this is happening. Then there is another system that types, gives signal to further, that is called hippocampus. There is another system which acts as a router, whether it should be given to higher centers or not. Abhi, in concern to the this thing pandemic, number of tests have come into this thing consideration, and people have become aware of those technical terms. You must have heard IL-1, IL-6, markers, you know, WBC count is going so high, Y-ferritin count is so high. So different type of people with different thought process, they attain these knowledges. Oh, this has gone so high, my brother, this thing has gone so high, why it is going so high? Then they again go to the Google doctor, creating a stress for themselves. Means not allowing, they just failed the short-term control. Long control means war foot on situation is there in our mind. And that particular hormone, just I'm trying to, मैं आपकी इस बात को क्यों ज्यादा जोर डाल रहा हूं, मैं आपको कुछ तरीके बता सकता हूं कि आप ऐसे बच जाइए, ऐसे वो काम नहीं करेंगे। अंडरस्टैंडिंग, आप बात समझिए कि आप अपने सिस्टम को कमजोर करने में कितने सहायक हैं। Already before fighting the fight, you make yourself weak. So that particular thing is called cortisol hormone. That cortisol hormone is itself in steroidal in nature. And that already invites so many things to be at this thing. And your immune system goes down. And in that process, Mr. Corona gets an entrance in your body. If this house is good, already they are scared of me. So a good substrate for me. So this type of things, when you understand मानसिक स्वास्थ्य क्या है, कैसे हम बीमार होते हैं, कैसे हम सहायक होते हैं, कैसे हम अपनी बॉडी को कमजोर करते हैं, तो वो जो चीजें यदि हम समझ लेंगे, देखिए अंडरस्टैंडिंग, जब इनिशियली एड्स वगैरह आया तो सब जगह क्या बोला गया था, आप पहले समझ लीजिए तभी इससे बचाव है। तो आप कोरोना को समझ लीजिए ना कि इस पैंडेमिक ने हर चीज को इतना जॉल्ट दिया है, तो इट इज बेटर वी शुड नो व्हाट इज नॉट टू बी डन। जब भी हम डॉक्टरी पढ़ते हैं तो हमें ये समझाया जाता है आप पहले ये समझिए आपको क्या नहीं करना है, इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस आपको क्या करना है, एंड वी व्हाट वी आर डूइंग दोस थिंग्स व्हिच आर नॉट टू बी डन। जी। And people say, oh, there's a fear element, then an anxiety element, and this and that and that. And if you're not scared, people say, what type of person you are? You haven't stored medicines yet. You haven't make sure that at the hour of this thing, you will get an oxygen cylinder. Leave aside. Have you got ample stuff of food at your house? What are you doing, Frank? People will ask you. So this way, person when get knowledge from 20 people, 21st time he'll say I may be wrong. I may be wrong. A thought, एक एहसास आ जाएगा आपके अंदर, I
जी
may be wrong, and that start whole tick 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 all pistons and these rings to move, and Frank has started working. Depending upon what type of channels till the age of 7 Frank has developed. So I think हमने बड़े अच्छे से कोशिश करी,
नहीं
लेकिन
नहीं
क्या है,
कोशिश नहीं डॉक्टर साहब, आपने बहुत अच्छे से समझाया है।
वो आप एक तरह से और समझिए कि हर
जी
कोई कहता है कि सर क्या करूं, दिल नहीं मानता, बोलते हैं ना, कोई कहता है
जी
दिमाग नहीं मानता, दिल नहीं मानता। एंड इफ टीचर इज टीचिंग इनटू क्लास, होल क्लास है यस 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 यस, बिकॉज इट इज द हेड व्हिच इज सेइंग, नॉट योर साइकी। अरे सर को बोलने तो देखेंगे बाद में, जो करना है वो तो हम देखेंगे। तो दिल तो पागल है, दिल दीवाना है, और दिल का
बिल्कुल
कहना हर कोई माने, दिल ना किसी का माने। तो हम लोग सुनते हैं सब कुछ करते हैं लेकिन एंड ऑफ द डे, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दोज हैबिट सिस्टम, I'll do my way. But what happens? The nature is so good. See, God is so kind that this hardness, this habit system is 95%. But 5% God has left for us to modulate, to modulate. Like suppose I have got a very low threshold of harm avoidance, but there are 5% which with which I can modulate, that I should be careful in those situations which can be harmful. I should not take risk. Harmfulness you can understand like in risk taking quality of a person. How much risk the person gives importance to. Suppose there's a fire in the room, is it? And your child is there. My child is there. So I should make the scene safety first. I should wear something with which I should enter. And without thinking, I entered the room. And what happened that my child got out and I got stuck into the fire. So harm avoidance is should be in a limit. That is why I told you. These are all co-brothers like, but they appear, they behave as if they are real brothers.
जी
So
जी
दिल ना किसी का माने, तो दिल का
बिल्कुल
कहना हर कोई माने, सब हम दिल का मानते हैं। We'll come to that thing when we discuss the strategies how we can modulate. That 5% needs to
जी
be addressed.
No, that's what I want to come to. But let's channelize this, Dr. Saab, and look at it from from different age groups, because the
Yeah,
mental stress and the mental ability and capacity of different people in different age groups is
yeah,
very different to the
very
others. Like for
right.
instance, infants will be very different from adults. So let's very briefly try and address all of
I'll
this.
try
You
to.
know, for
I'll
different
try.
age
Yes,
groups, what
I'll
we
try.
need to do. Let's
I'll
start with
try.
infants now. Let's
Infant.
start with
You
infants,
see,
because we
infant.
have so many pandemic babies now who
Yeah.
don't know what life is other than their four walls of the house. Unpe,
Yes, yes.
what kind of
एक
impact
अलग
do
ही
they
तरह
have?
का एक स्ट्रेस डेवलप हो
जी
गया।
जी
Actually, what
जी
happens that even in infants, infant is totally dependent, isn't it? So still the child feels what is going around me. Suppose the mother is not well, caregiver is not well. The child starts crying. The child starts less eating. The child stops fooding. The child doesn't want to be at rest, or the child starts sleeping more. Because you see, everything needs change. Everything needs change. And the child can read. The child can read the faces of that thing. So infants, they either they become constipated, or they're having diarrhea, or they're sleeping less, or they're sleeping more, and a sort of restlessness, irritability, or putting it more this thing कि बच्चा एकदम wretched state में है. So this is with infants. Now we go to little bit ahead. Since last 1.5 years, you see, schools are not opening up. A child who got admission in last 2020 Feb hasn't seen the face of the school. Online, he is feeling, yes, this is school, this is school, this is school. And almost in Feb, students, children, they almost got their admission and they've got new bags and bottles and all this, and they're very excited to go to school. And the same way, what I am saying, the channelization process has stopped. So first thing, they have stopped this thing and now they are feeling suffocated. What they are doing, they have become defiant, irritable. And it's very difficult to make a child of 4 years, 5 years to sit in front of the online education. This thing he's not accustomed to. He's a free bird. So that suffocative feeling is there, and the child is reacting to that. On the top of that, suppose parents they don't have time. Parents have to work to earn something, and the child needs their company. So lack of company, all type of behavioral problems. What happens that the child doesn't think, the child just feel. The process is thinking, feeling, and acting. Here the feeling is prime. Whatever feeling is coming to him, the child is either throwing something, breaking those things, and all that. On the contrary, the mother says, "What has happened to you?" And all that zigzag, bizarre type of behavior it comes up. So infants, children, and another problem, more thumb sucking. As a psychologist, number of times I come across children that they say the child has started sucking them. So this is insecurity, dullness, lack of reactivity to the I don't just sucking. The personality, there is a halt to the development of personality. Pandemic. Now, little ahead, teenage and adolescence. Teenage is the age, or the adolescence is the age where the children they feel their own identity into the society. They want to be separate from parents. Now everybody is clubbed into the house. The teenage wants to meet his peer group, missing the peer group, and not allowed to. How long are you going to be relying on the virtual this thing? अब इसको थोड़ा लाइटर वे में कहेंगे जो बात तुझ में है तेरी तस्वीर में नहीं. Suppose I want to meet my girlfriend and I'm just seeing her. It's hardly quenching my thirst. And number of different things like I want to study, I want to do that. So again, suffocated. So this generalized feeling of suffocated, it is coming in different types, like more smoking, more alcohol intake, more fights in the house, and different things. Then coming to the elderly people. You see, elderly people, they have got their own way of living. Now everybody is at house. So we have to adjust with each other. And they are feeling more depression, more aggression, more substance use, more, you can say, household discords and all these things. So in general, it has disturbed the whole society socio-culturally. सामाजिक और सांस्कृतिक तौर पे पूरा समाज हिल गया है इस चीज से. So how to overcome these things? So it's, and on the top of that are our health workers. They have to work. They have to work in the PPE kits for 8, 10 hours. And on the top of that, is the fear. You see, these three things rather, needs to be understood very easily. सबसे पहले डर. और जब ये डर एक चीज के लिए हो जाता है, तो हम टर्म देते हैं फोबिया. These days, a phobia means COVID. So fear turning into phobia. Anxiety means मेरे को हो सकता है, पता नहीं होगा या नहीं होगा, या मेरे किसी को हो गया है. So in anxiety, we are worried about something which has not yet happened or may happen or not happen. तो उसको आप ऐसे समझिए कि मैं पर बुधवार को सोमवार में ही जी रहा हूं. Anxiety, and I can't do anything. And depending upon my personality, I am just dispersing that anxiety to my peer group, to my friend, and I'm looking for different information which is agreeing with me. That is exactly how you nurture your emotion, where you want to lead to. And if in that process, suppose you and I are sitting, we have a different thought process and all that, and we will have a discord. You will say, no, agree this way. I say, no. And that is why family, this thing, struggles and woman, this thing, fights and all this. These things are coming up more. Third thing is to overcome my fear and anxiety. Suppose previously I never used to take alcohol. My alcohol intake has gone high. Plus, that has put a financial this thing burden upon me. So this pandemic, it has really jolted doctors, workers, different people, infants, teenage, adolescents. Who has remained?
Nobody.
Nobody. So depending upon where I'm taking my vehicle to. So in the later part, we'll discuss that how this behavior is coming, where a brake is needs to be applied, where the clutch is required to be pressed. This is
Absolutely. No, we'll talk about that right now, Dr. Saab. So, how do we bring about some kind of a corrective measure as far as these behavioral changes are concerned?
yeah.
How important is the peer group? How important is the family if someone is having some major mental issues and some mental stress? What are the telltale signs? इसको identify कैसे कर सकते हैं?
Yeah.
और क्या करना चाहिए?
You see, I'll divide these things into two groups. One is that previously there are people who are previously suffering from some or the other psychological or psychiatric illness. Their problems get further enhanced. Like suppose you take OCD, and these days everybody is saying wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands, and they are further enhanced it. Now what they have done, their hands have become torn and peel off and all those things. And another thing, depending on the personality, again, let us talk about the behavior itself. There is antisocial personalities, histrionic personality, which needs attention of the people, isn't it? What they are doing, they are doing as per their characteristics. They are doing different type of things. You must have under coming that people are selling drugs or storing drugs and all this. Antisocial. I'm just working out according to that. And on the other side, there are people who say, you take mine also. Suppose you don't have full oxygen cylinder, take it for few breaths. This is altruistic approach. So how you are approaching that thing? These are things. Telltale signs are that suppose you find that any member of your family or any of your friend who was previously very active have stopped calling you and just sleeping. And whatever his or her type of interest of things, he or she is not finding an interest. Suppose, example, there is a lady in the house. She is very fond of cooking food. Now she is just delaying the things. So first is to get an initiative. Lack of initiative. अरुचिकर लगने लग जाता है. First sign. Second sign is आपने किसी तरह उस काम को शुरू किया तो उसको कंप्लीट करना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. Initiative, lack of complacency. Then enjoyment. The enjoyment you're getting out of it, no use. And fourth is just you are stuck. So this is called anhedonia, lack of interest. So these are the basic things which needs to be taken care of. What I told you, na, ki suppose I am going this way, abnormal, going there this way, abnormal. It has to be in between. These three things. So where the order is thinking, feeling, and behavior, the order gets changed. Feeling, no thinking. Feeling is directly coming to the behavior. I'm feeling this way and I'm doing this. You see, back of your this thing, you're creating thoughts. How? Whatever stimulus you're receiving through your eyes or through nose, they go to back of the thing. And from the back, there's a analytical part in between. And this prefrontal part, it gives act to that particular thought. So what we are doing, we are not thinking. We are just feeling and acting, feeling and acting, feeling and acting. This is this way. Another thing, there are number of mental problems which were there into the person. And they were comparatively mentally healthy. Anyhow, they were managing that. And because of this pandemic, they have also come to this. So plural this thing problems. One is physical problem. another are their own psychiatric problem, and third is this pandemic. So suppose to make that person understand, he'll obey the COVID behavior. It's a very difficult task for the family and further stress for the family. And suppose the main bread earner has got these type of problems, and you can imagine what sort of picture it is going to be. So these are the telltale signs. So, and depression, most this thing. And on other hand, suppose you have lost somebody nearer to you or something like that, your job, a condition called grief. And grief has got different aspects: denial, anger, bargaining, then coming to the terms. First is denial. And in denial, how does the person react? In anger, how does the person react? These things needs to be addressed. And if not, there are number of helplines and all those things. They can take help from those people.
So when do we know, Dr. Saab, that someone needs help or, doesn't need help, when someone needs medication? How do we know that the situation has gone out of hand or out of control?
So far as this pandemic is concerned,
Not the pandemic, mental stress.
Achha, psychologically.
Psychologically. And do we treat it with medicine? Do we treat it with behavioral changes? What is the best way?
Very nice question. Actually, what happens, Frank, that whenever there is any time this type of situation, my personality decide what I'm going to behave this way. There are certain people, they say it's a reward for them. They don't have any problem. They start behaving as if they have a problem. I'm not feeling this way. I'm not finding this way, and they keep on weeping and all this and that. This is called disassociative, and what in old days we used to say hysteria. Another thing is hypochondriac. Hypochondriac is that those type of people who don't have symptom, even to trifle of cough, trifle of this thing. No, you don't know. I have got this thing. No, you don't know. I have got this thing. So the question is that when to consult this thing. First is that whenever you are finding this thing is persisting for a period of this thing, the duration matters a lot. Her second thing is frequency. Third thing is intensity. So FDI, foreign direct investment. You can, just remember it this way. F is frequency, D is duration, I is intensity. Means I am sleeping for which duration and of what intensity. Intensity means, am I just forgetting to eat my food? A mother, is she forgetting to attend to the infant or to the household duties? So gradually, when these things they persist more than a week, more than 6 days, or if depending on the frequency and duration and intensity, if it is very intense, at least take a consultation. Maybe she is having some other physical problems also. Because of that, she may not be eating. So 1 week at least one should wait and then find. Or the person has become so aggressive, or the person start hurting himself or herself. Person is sick. He has been advised to take certain medicine, not for psychiatric purpose, for other purpose. This is called denial, self-harming behavior. It is good for him or her. I'm not going to take it. Why you're doing? Maybe some underground current, something is cropping up. As I told you earlier, that different people who were not sick previously, slowly, because of isolation, because of these type of things, they are coming to the surface. So even WHO has given a lot of stress that give a psychological first aid to the society. Like we give first aid to the injured and all these things. Give first aid to the society. Means every person is suffering some or the other way. You can't remain without them. So duration, frequency, intensity, just consult. It could it be that comorbidity is that, like we say, along with COVID, you have got diabetes, you got hypertension, you got renal disease and all these things. But on top of that, who is sick? Who is sick? A sick person has become further sick. A person who is not mentally healthy, who was not able to take care of himself, who was not productive previously, has further become sick. Or this pandemic has brought on certain chemical changes into his brain so that he is behaving this way. He is not bothered. He has got such high fever. He has to take medicine. He is not obeying that. So FDI, मैं आपके श्रोताओं को ये बोलना चाहूंगा, just remember 3 words FDI, another 3C, CCD, sorry, coffee cafe day. You remember it like this: consensus, consistency, and differentiation, distinctiveness. Consensus means there is a symptom pattern of this pandemic. Headache, fever, this thing persisting for 3 days, now this. So if 100 people are suffering from that thing, consensus, all were showing these type of things. It's a inductive logic. Then consistency. Is he consistently behaving that way? I'm just trying to answer your that previous question also in the thing. The consensus means, does all family members are behaving this way? Or does this person also used to behave this way? Consistently. अरे इनका क्या है, पापा तो गुस्सा ही करते रहते हैं. अरे मम्मी का क्या है, मम्मी कुछ नहीं कहती है. अरे मेरी बिटिया का क्या है, अरे ये तो कुछ भी खा लेती है. अरे अब ये खाती नहीं है. अरे क्या हो गया, दोनों बहन भाई लड़ते रहते हैं. So consensus and consistency. Last is distinctiveness. Means earlier he never used to this thing. Of late, he or she has started behaving this way. So FDI, F, you apply to 3, consensus, to consistency, 2 different distinctiveness. So these are the basic, ये जो हमारे जो मनोरोग के जो चीजें हम समझते हैं उसको हम ऐसे, you see, we don't have any thermometer. I don't have any stethoscope which I can put on here and say, okay, Frank has got, I can analyze Frank's oxygen concentration and all these things. No, it is through behavior only, which is coming in front of me. I'm a talking doctor, you see, and I can rein your that behavior with the help of medicines. And the moment you come to that stage where now Frank and I are on the same level. Suppose you are standing on 20th floor and I'm on the ground floor. How loud I am going to call you? So either I have to go up or I have to bring you down. So once we are on the same level, then we are interchanging this thing. So psychiatrist helps to bring you to that level, and psychologists, then they do these type of therapies. So FDI and CCD, I mean, आपके श्रोता यदि इस चीज को समझ जाए अच्छे से,
जी,
तो बड़े अच्छे से इस चीज को एनालाइज कर लेंगे कब हमें डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए, कब हमें नहीं जाना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. And one final question before I let you go, Dr. Sharma. Generally, I've noticed India में people don't like to go to a counselor or a psychologist or a psychiatrist. Immediately उनके मन में बैठ जाता है कि कुछ psychological problem या कुछ mental problem है, so I should not do this. Why is that so, and how do we overcome that?
It's a stigma. It's a stigma among people. You suppose you have got piles. You won't hesitate to share it with you. And you'll go to a doctor. Suppose you say, okay, I'm not behaving properly. Be away from Frank. So it's a stigma. And Western countries, they don't have any stigma. In our hospital even, you see, if there is a white card in my name, so I'll fold it thrice and keep it close to my heart. Nobody should know. Nobody should know. So it's a stigma first. Then lack of knowledge. You see, we go to doctor and different labs, they're coming that we have got DLEX scheme to will do these type of these many blood tests and all these things. Nobody says, sir, please kindly come to me and have your psychoanalysis done. And we feel, still date, we feel nobody can teach me how to live. Nobody can teach me. how to behave and what we do in this. मैं आपको एक चीज, दो चीजें बताना चाहता हूँ इसके
जी।
अंदर। देखिए, कोई भी बात होती है ना, उसमें दो रीजन निकालते हैं हम लोग, या तो मेरे अंदरूनी या मेरे आसपास के, इंटरनल फैक्टर्स एंड एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स। एंड most of the people, they are blaming the situations. Nobody says that if I'm doing this, so three are towards me. I never see these three. One, it is the Frank who is making me do like this. There is something in me also which is causing Frank to behave this way. So stigma is the first thing. Then a sort of hesitation also, that in our family somebody is like that, and taboos. Nobody is going to marry in our family. My mother is like this, my father. Though it is not so. You see, if you have diabetes, don't you eat medicine for whole life? If you have hypertension, don't you eat medicine for whole life? Same way, if you are taking medicine and that medicine is generating a lot of creativity out of you, what is the harm? Maybe after a few months, after a few period of time, you are overcome that medication through psychological counseling and all these things. Another good word has come, that is called mindful cognitive behavior therapy. You're talking, I'm talking to you, you are listening to me mindfully. Not that I'm talking to you from, you're entering from one ear and going out from another ear.
जी।
Mindfulness cognitive behavior. So this is the way we can do. Plus, what I would stress, that you should be the master of your emotion. You should not, your emotion should not be master of your thought.
जी।
You should be the master of your emotion. Because whenever there is an emotion, emotion doesn't have its own any, as I discussed, it's a shadow. The moment you give a critical thought upon that thing, immediately that emotion, that will, does it require nurturing? No. In that particular moment, it was good thing for me. Suppose I saw a very beautiful girl and my thinking gave way, and my feeling straight away, my prefrontal lobe says, go ahead. But had I been given a critical thought to my emotion, it vanishes like anything. So the emotion, then thinking critical means, suppose you're getting infodemia, different channels, they're pouring in news and all this and that. Give a critical thinking. Take a very authentic this thing, CDC or ICMR, these type of informations. Just be on that. Have confidence on that. And then go ahead. Third thing is, you should have your own parameter, your own periphery, very
Right।
strong periphery. Means whenever somebody is asking you for something, think thrice. Think thrice. Because yes, 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 and you're emptied your vessel, and you can't pour anything from emptied vessel. Means when you have to do that task, you need that thing. You don't have anything with you. Another thing is, reduce your social this thing, this YouTube and Facebook and all those things, because people, when they're posting things, they are showing grass is very green, and suppose you feel how you're taking it, again feeling, oh, my grass is not green in my garden, and you go into a depression. Third thing, last thing is, learn by your mistakes. What I have done in past, I am not going to let it repeat. So master of the emotion is the key word. When I am the master of my emotion. My emotions are not going to guide me. If you
Correct।
break this word, E dash motion. E means electric motion. Just remove the E. thought has come. And you will behave in a balanced manner. So we have
Absolutely.
discussed mental health. We have discussed all these things. They are the measures for mental hygiene. You see,
Correct.
when we take food, do we eat these bricks and mud? We don't know. But when we think anything. When we feel anything. Why are we not holding ourselves? So this is where the need you, when you ask me, sir, when to go to a psychoanalysis analyst? Sir, I've been getting these type of these things. This is hampering my growth. And everybody feels I'll do this thing, that thing, and I can manage. So
Correct. Dr. Saab, a pleasure having you on Bharata First. Thank you for explaining this whole issue of mental health in such simple terms. You know, we look at so many of these videos, so many of these lectures, but nobody manages to explain it in such simple terms. Thank you very much for explaining it to us so beautifully.
even for me also, and my pleasure will multiply, I mean, trillions time. If very small people or the small sector of people, they get benefited out of this thing, or they start going to at least to their psychological counseling or whatever it is. So that
Absolutely.
if we have a very healthy society, mentally healthy society, you see, that is what the need of the hour is. So,
Absolutely. All right, Dr. Saab, thank you so much
thank
for
you,
your
sir.
time.
Bye.
And before I go, once again, I'd like to thank you for your continued support. For those of you who haven't already subscribed, please like the video, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and then all notifications. Do follow our social media handles for all the latest updates, and you can also subscribe to our newsletter to get some incisive content. The Bharata First team runs a daily big picture quiz. Please do participate by going through the description in big picture videos. Here are the UPI IDs for those of you who would like to come forward and contribute. A small contribution you make will be a giant leap for us to keep bringing you this content. So do continue to show your love and support. All the information along with some must-see recommendations are in the description of this video. Please go through it. That's it from me. See you again next time.